Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
An announcement in Teams is a post that is highlighted with a banner which adds visual interest and helps make the post stand out in the channel. Announcements can include a main headline as well as a subheading, along with the option to apply a background color or image. To create an announcement, click the Teams button in the app bar, and then select the channel into which to make the announcement. Click the New Conversation button at the bottom of the Posts tab, and then click the Format button in the Compose Message toolbar. Select Announcement from the Select a Post Type drop-down in the upper left corner of the expanded Compose Message box. Then type a headline into the Type a Headline field. To use a solid color for the announcement banner, click the Color Scheme button in the banner and select a color scheme from the drop-down list. To use a background graphic for the banner, click the Background Image button instead. Click the Upload an Image link in the Add a Background Image dialog box. Navigate to the image and select it, and click the Open button. The optimal size for an announcement graphic is 914 by 120 pixels. You can resize the image using the slider in the middle of the graphic. You can click the Upload Another Image link in the upper right corner of the dialog box to replace it if desired. When finished, click the Done button. If you want to remove an image you have added to an announcement banner, you can click the Remove Image button in the upper right corner of the banner. You can also select a different image to replace the one you have added. To add a subheading, click into the Add a Subhead area of the announcement body and type the desired subheading. Next, type the announcement below the subheading. You can format the announcement using all the techniques we discussed in the Creating and Formatting Posts lesson. When you are done, click the Send button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.